before our very eyes. Our journey begins with the very foundation of a Tesla, its frame. Now, we're not talking about your typical heavy steel chassis here. Tesla opts for lightweight yet incredibly strong aluminum. Think of it as the sleek, athletic build of a cheetah compared to, well, a heavier car. Giant rolls of aluminum arrive at the factory, ready to be transformed. Precision lasers slice through the metal sheets like butter, cutting out intricate shapes with laser-like accuracy. These pieces then come together in a ballet of sparks and robotic arms, welded together with pinpoint precision. The real star of the show is the gigapress. This colossal machine is a sight to behold, capable of forming large parts of the car's body in a single mighty squeeze. It's like watching a metal origami master at work. The result? A frame that's not only lightweight and strong, but also incredibly safe. Now, let's talk about the heart of any electric car, the battery. And when it comes to batteries, Tesla is in a league of its own. These aren't your average AA batteries, folks. We're talking about sophisticated energy storage systems packed with thousands of individual cells, all working together to deliver impressive range and performance. The battery pack is like the car's nervous system, and installing it is a delicate operation. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, glide across the factory floor, delivering battery packs to the assembly line with balletic grace. Robotic arms, guided by sophisticated sensors, carefully lift and position the battery packs into the chassis. But it's not just about robots. Skilled technicians work alongside their automated counterparts, connecting wires, securing bolts, and ensuring every connection is flawless. It's this seamless collaboration between man and the machine that makes Tesla's assembly process so unique. Dance, with every movement perfectly timed and executed. Until next time, keep your motors running.